Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be discussing about all the anti-aging ingredients I'm using in my routine. I will be almost 40 in a few years from now, and I am pretty comfortable with whatever my skin is looking right now. I use many such products which might be helpful, so I'm finally sitting down and making this video. So let's get started with all the products I have with me. I will be sharing whatever I use in my daily life, and yeah, let's get started. So the first and foremost thing which I want to mention in this video is please avoid junk food as much as possible. That will really help in maintaining the glow and your skin health, your bone health, your overall health. So just avoid sugar, refined things and overall junk food. But I know, yeah, sometimes you can definitely have those, but not all the time. So that is the first and foremost thing. And second, have a lot of fruits and vegetables. Now with that, let's get started. So the first and foremost ingredient which I want to mention is sunscreen. It is non-negotiable. You need to use a sunscreen no matter wherever you stay, no matter what age you are. You just have to use a good sunscreen, and I will always recommend Bioderma sunscreens for that, and even Korean sunscreens like Beauty of Joseon sunscreen. I have completely used them up and I don't have now to showcase them. I am currently using the Ectoin sunscreen which I have showcased some time back, and yeah, I am using that. Yeah, there are so many controversies about Indian pharmacy sunscreen even, so I'm not taking any names because yeah, I have seen a few comments saying that they got de-influenced by some other creators. So yeah, I will stick to my basic, my favorite, my Bioderma and also Beauty of Joseon. These are my current favorites and have been my favorites throughout the last few years, so I am just recommending those sunscreens to now you. Coming to the second thing is cleanser. Now always go for gentle cleanser. If you're above 30, please go for gentle cleansers because your skin tends to get dry. Even though you are an oily skin girl, your skin will tend to be dry after 30, and it will gradually deteriorate and you will feel more dry after you reach 35. So yeah, these are the cleansers I recommend using. You can also go for Cetaphil gentle cleanser, or even PhD cleanser is good, but my current favorite is this Aveeno, and I'll be repurchasing it for sure. And also if you want a foaming cleanser, you can go for the Neutrogena ultra gentle foaming cleanser. So these are my current favorites, and I will obviously recommend this Aveeno gentle cleanser. This is pretty good. It doesn't lather or foam, but it cleanses well and it doesn't leave your skin barrier dry, and which is what I like when you are aiming for anti-aging. Okay, the next thing is obviously moisturization. Now moisturizer, you can use any moisturizer of your choice, but please always use a moisturizer every day. Once you wash your face, please don't forget to moisturize your face. So, and if you are thinking of investing in some anti-aging moisturizer, I will suggest you two such moisturizers. One is the Olay Super Collagen Peptide. Now both this moisturizer is also having fragrance, but still I loved using this moisturizer so much. I've almost emptied it and a little bit is left. It is quite expensive, but still I might repurchase because I liked it so much. It gives a glow to your skin and it leaves the skin a little bouncy, I feel, after application. I don't know, I mean, you have to use it for quite some time to get that effect, but I feel this moisturizer is one of my favorites, has become one of my favorites, though it has a lot of fragrance, I would say, but it is good moisturizer and I do love it. But obviously ask Olay to just get rid of the perfume and then sell it, but I'm not sure whether they will listen or not. But yeah, so this is the moisturizer. The next moisturizer which I am currently using is the Neutrogena Visible Repair Regenerating Cream. This is with retinol. Now I tried using retinol, the normal retinol, with a lot of cream and moisturizer, and I got a lot of breakout, so I stopped using it. Finally I got this Neutrogena with infused retinol in it, and my mom has been using it for quite some years and she is quite impressed with this, so I bought this one. Now this one also has a lot of fragrance, I don't know why, I will try to get the non-fragrance ones later on, but this is a good moisturizer. It didn't give any such breakout for me, so I love using this moisturizer and I'll be definitely recommending it to you. Now these are the anti-aging moisturizers, but if you want to go for a normal moisturizer also, it's fine. Just make sure you are applying the cleanser, moisturizer and sunscreen if you want to invest in basic skincare for anti-aging. And you can go for peptide infused moisturizer also. For me, my favorite has been the Fay Beauty moisturizer. Now the Face Shop ceramide moisturizer is also one which I liked a lot, but it has fragrance. The Fay Beauty one is good and I like it a lot. Now there are multiple other moisturizers which you can invest in. I am just showcasing anti-aging moisturizers in this video. Coming to serums, I have a lot of serums to recommend, but I don't want to overwhelm you with a lot of options, so I have a few options. And the first and foremost I would recommend you is the Argireline solution, which is from Ordinary. I've started recently using it for fine lines. You can definitely use it in the morning or at night, but don't pair it up with a retinol if you're using retinol. Just if you're using retinol at night, use it in the morning along with your moisturizer, underneath your moisturizer, and apply your sunscreen. So this will help you to get rid of the fine lines and wrinkles. You can also go for the buffet solution which Ordinary has. I have emptied that and I love that solution also. There is also Matrixid, which I have not used, but I have seen people recommending it. You can also go for Multi-Peptide. Now copper peptides, I have not used it personally, but I feel those are also good, but I have not used because those are quite expensive and out of my budget. I can't invest in copper peptides every month for 3000 rupees, so yeah, I'm not recommending it. Now the next multi-peptide is the, if you want to go for an affordable one, you can go for the Minimalist. This is also a good one. You can also go for Molecule 53 Peptide Complex. This is also a good serum. I have used it and it is also a anti-aging serum formulated with Argireline. So yeah, and invest in an eye cream if you can, because when you age, you try to get under eye dark circles, under eye dullness. Even if you don't get dark circles, you will get dryness and yeah, some dullness around the eyes. So I would obviously recommend the Beauty of Joseon Revive Eye Serum. This is with ginseng and retinol, and I've been using this and I completely enjoy using it. And for spots, if you want to go for, you can go for the Glow Deep Serum with Alpha Arbutin from Beauty of Joseon again. Now I have one of my favorites, which is the Glow Act. I have showcased this multiple times on my channel, and I recommend using a glycolic acid in your routine if you are aiming for anti-aging. Now these are all optional solutions. If you want to go for just bare minimum, go with cleanser, moisturizer and sunscreen. You don't need to invest in all these things. But if you want to maintain your skin and invest much, then I would suggest, highly recommend this Glow Act serum. It helps to get rid of your dark spots, also helps to get rid of the dryness, and it exfoliates the upper layer. So always use it at night, and I really love using this one, so I have repurchased it, and yeah, I've started using it. And yeah, I'm not mentioning any lip balm or lip care. Anyways, you need to apply a lip balm no matter what age you are. So yeah, those are all the few products which I wanted to showcase. I didn't want to showcase a lot of products, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please do come back with your feedback if you do get to use any of the products which I have showcased in this video. And I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.